Assalamualaikum and good morning and greeting to everyone. My name is Muhammad Fatul Mubarachan. I'm a part-time student and also work as full-time. Today I will present my business model canvas for legendary food court, a modern food court concept with Malaysia culture touch. Okay, let me start with the executive summary. Legend Food Court is not just a place to eat, it's also complete culture and community experience. We mix Malaysia multicultural food, nostalgia, decoration, and also our traditional game. We also support local small vendor, except Bingkas Selangor for B40, and we also use digital cashless system for convenience. Why we use the name for the legend? Legend that's mean legacy, memories, and culture bonding. Okay, now we go to our value proposition. Our tagline is big taste, small budget. We offer a wide range of halal certificate food, Malaysia for the Malaysia food, Malay, Chinese, Indian, all in one roof. Is this show Malaysia true multicultural identity. It also ensures trust for Muslim customer, and everyone can enjoy delicious meal at the affordable price and suitable for family and also for the student. Okay, we still in for the value proposition. In here we can see we create the nostalgia feel with the traditional decoration, vintage music, and also we have a classic game like congkak, carom, batu seremban, and etc. This attract older people, senior citizen, and also older people who miss the old days, and the kid can learn about the traditional games too. Because all we know the traditional game will make sure their mind to be uh, can think properly why we have to choose like that and why we play for the games. We also provide affordable store for the local small vendor because we try to negotiate with the Selangor, Selangor government. We accept Bingkas Selangor so the lower income family can enjoy dining out. First, I need to explain for the Bingkas Selangor. Normally, for the Bingkas Selangor, when the family get the Bingkas, they just can buy for the raw material for the food. But in here, we try to make sure the Bingkas payment can also be acceptable from our place. So the family that get the Bingkas can use to buy food from us. We also use the digital tools, mobile apps, sales order kiosks like you see can at the KFC. They have a self-service kiosk, and also we have a loyalty card. Normally loyalty card we can see is just for normally the card used at the supermarket, but and also used for the some another store like Zeus and also the Starbucks. But in here for our food court, we also have other loyalty card and to make ordering and easy and also the modern. We just not for the traditional, we also have to be a modern. Okay, who is our customer? Okay, in here, the place that we choose is in the middle between the Bandar Puteri and also Pusat Bandar Puchong. Okay, we target the family in these two places. Parent, because we can see in here, I will show they have our you have our map. It show we have a school. The school is Sekolah Kebangsaan Pusat Bandar Puchong 2. And also we have a mosque, Masjid Baitul Amin. In here we have two places that crowded with the people. So young or working adults and students want to available and comfortable with the place to eat, they can come to our place. And we also target for the senior citizen who still want to enjoy the nostalgic atmosphere, and they come to our place, they can just remember for their memories. And also for B40 family, like I also say, B40 family who can use for the Bingkas. Normally Bingkas only in Selangor people only that they vote for Selangor. Okay, why we choose this location? Because this is this location we have a too crowded and busy residential area. This population, we already check, this population around 425,000. 400, I repeat again, 425,000 people. And we already check, their Bumiputra only 45%, Chinese 41, Indian 9, and others 5%. And normally for this place, the income just around their salary around 3,333 average salary. That's mean normally the people that live here, they can get the bingkas. That's why we try to negotiate with the uh, Kerajaan Selangor government to make sure we can accept for the bingkas payment. Okay, how do we build and maintain good customer relationship? First, we provide self-serving convenience, mobile apps, kiosk, and cash counter. Because normally, for the teenagers, they like to use mobile apps and also kiosks. But for the senior citizen, they must prefer for the cash counter. Payment cashless with the easy QR, normally used by the teenagers. Because we have a loyalty card, normally loyalty card we just do like the top up. So minimum top up we make sure in here is just for 3 ringgit. No, if you can see, normally for the top up for the handphone, normally top up for the handphone 5 ringgit. But in here we just to make sure can top up minimum 3 ringgit. That's mean the people can buy for the budget food, and also they can enjoy for the bonus credit. And because this for the first time customer, we just say okay, when they top up RM 10 ringgit, they can get 1 ringgit extra. We also have a reward for the loyal customer, special promotion, and also we try to be partner with the Grab, Settle, and Shell bonus link. Why we want to be partnered? So we can make sure our customer can use their app to make payment. We also collect feedback through the survey, media, social, and direct service, so we can improve and keep customers satisfied. How do we reach our customer? Our physical location is near to school and mosque. So, and also we have a good easy access for the parking. So should be no problem for that. And we also use for the flyers and poster near to the school and also near to the community area and also mosque. We also have the social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp group. We try to make the one WhatsApp group to make sure our customer can to be at the group, and we also have promotion every day to pop up over there. And for the payment, in the group, normally we do for the cashless, but we also accept for the various e-wallet and smooth with. That means we accept multiple e-wallet like Settle, bonus link, and etc. Who is our key partner? Our key partner is local halal food vendor and small retail seller. We also have the technology partners because we use for the app post system and kiosk. That means we can monitor for the kiosk and also how many uh, how many order that they already takes. And school Masjid Baitul Amin is near to the place, so to become attract families and students. And Selangor government through Bingkas payment program and payment partner GrabPay, Settle, Share Bonusly, etc. And also for the security and maintenance teams. That's why we have to make sure who is our key partner. Okay, what we do daily. What we do to do daily. Manage daily operation, vendor coordination, onboard training new vendor to maintain quality. We have to make sure our vendor is can give the standard what we request. No, we know we choose to sell the cheapest food, but we have to make sure our standard to the vendor have to follow our standard. We also have conduct hygiene and halal compliance check to make sure our food and is still got halal certificate. And organize a culture event and family activities because in here we have a because we also name the legend, so we can ask we also give permission to customer who want to make event and also want to make family activity, they can come to our place. For the marketing and promotion, we have our flyers and also the social media and poster. And for this thing, because for the marketing, what we can see in here, our marketing is the very best marketing lah. Should be no problem to take to make sure our customer can come again and again. Okay, what resources should we have? Because in here we can see for our strategic location is near busy residential area. Residential area is busy for the residential area, and also we near to mosque and near to school. So our resource is very high. Nostalgia and interest layout because now we can see we have a Clawman that show in the cinema. So we deco our place like the Clawman. So people will come to our place to take picture and also they will buy drink and etc. And we have our technology like apps, kiosk, post and system, and also the loyalty card. And we have a trusted vendor and train staff. That means our staff know what they can, what they want to buy, what they want to sell to our customer. Okay, this is our layout plan. The space in family friendly for the easy kid and senior citizen. That's why we choose for the circle. Our focus is the circle round around. So their family can see what the children do, and the children can see back the parent. Okay, they know the parents still watching them, and they feel comfortable. And we have also the special corner for traditional game. And for the traditional game, normally for Batu Seremban, ladies know the Batu Seremban. They also like to play the Batu Seremban. For the men, normally they want to play for the what we call cyber cafe. We call because we have also the cyber cafe. They can play normally the traditional game Counter Strike. Okay, this one is our inside layout plan. You can see we have a in the middle we have a big screen. So the big screen we can show for the football event, and also we want to make sure is the nostalgia and traditional. We have for anime movie, that the old anime movie, for example the Dragon Ball. Normally when we know the Dragon Ball is everyone like the Dragon Ball movie, so we ask we have to make sure we for every weekend we show one movie or maybe one series or 5 series to make sure everyone can see for the movie, and we bring their children and teach their children what they live and the old time. Okay, how do we manage costs? This is the most important part. How do we manage costs? We have a fixed cost that right now I already informed to you. It is our is food court legend. We have a rental that people rent our place, and also we have to manage for the utilities, electric, water, internet, staff salary, system maintenance, and we also have a variable cost, decoration, marketing, culture people, vendor training, and sustainable program. For the digital system, we have mobile apps, kiosk, posts for the to keep up, and we also have to maintain for the compliant halal certificate in license and also for the insurance. Next, we have a variable and other costs. Traditional deco and nostalgic games to keep up. Marketing expenses for the flyers, and social media and advertiser and also poster. If for the event cost, community show and for the workshop, vendor onboarding and training, sustainability cost, eco-friendly packaging, and also for the recycle bin. And also we have a compliant cost, halal certification, business license, and also the insurance. And also we have the digital system upgrade for the smooth cashless payment. All these costs help us to maintain our quality and product for the culture. How this is most important part that we like for the thing. How do we earn income? Because I already informed to you, we have a store rental for food and retail vendor. And we also have the essential both fest, that's mean for the bazaar Ramadan and festival store. We target for the bazaar Ramadan because for bazaar Ramadan we know everyone like to buy something from the bazaar. And we also have even space rental for the workshop and community program, because in here we have the higher residential and busy for the residential place. So we know they also like for the event they can come to our place. And we also have the loyalty card for the top up and membership upgrade. Okay, when people come to our place to make a workshop and community program, they will attract to buy the loyalty card. And also for the application transaction fee, and also e-wallet for the promotion, sale of the souvenir, nostalgic toys, and also the local snack. Local snack, also we have the nostalgic snack, and delivery markup for the online orders, because we also want to delivery our product to customer. We have the delivery, that's why we can mark up over there for the online order, because normally people order by from online, they know for the delivery they have to pay. Why it's good investment? If you see, I already explained to you, our place is the most higher busy residential. That's why we estimate for the cost is around 500,000 and 500,000, and also for until 750,000. For the funding structure, we have target for from our funding structure is only 20% to 30%, and 80 to 70 to 80% is we ask for the investor to fund from our project. Okay, return to our return came from the rental, digital commission, event, and sponsorship. We target for the break even is around 2 until 3 years, and mod model is gradual, easy to franchise in others area, because we can you from what we already informed to you, our target, you also can open at other place with the same model. Okay, last, nostalgia focus is more than just food. It also a culture, family, and community. Halal, nostalgic, and affordable. Support small vendor and be for the families with the bean cash payment. Cashless and ready, cashless ready and modern. Strong potential to expand in Malaysia. This idea combine my work experience and academic knowledge, and also what I like is for the food hunter. That's why I can think for the I can see for many place, this place I want like to open is the best, because we have the food, we have the for the food, we have the for the vendor, for the mini market, we also have for the cyber cafe, all in one place. I believe it can success with the right support, so I hope you can support for the investment. Thank you for listening for my presentation. I really appreciate your time and attention. Thank you.